Good day guys, this is Agent Mab and currently nandito tayo ngayon sa showroom ng Omoda Jayco Pasig. Dito lang yan sa may kahabaan ng Marcos Highway, katabing-katabi ng Ayala Mall Pilis. And right now, nandito ngayon sa gilid ko, itong napakagandang si Jayco EJ6. This is the first ever 4x4 electric vehicle na SUV ni Omoda Jayco Philippines. Kaya nitong makipagsabayan. Let's find out. Alright, so let's start here sa front fascia ng sasakyan na to. So dito sa pinakaunahan, makikita nyo dito yung logo, Jayco. And then sa baba, yung one of the 4 cameras for the 360-degree camera. No? So Jayco, sabi nila, J means Jaeger. It's actually a German word for hunter. And then Ku is actually cool, English niya. No? So kung pagsasamahin natin, hunter cool. Dito sa may right side niya, no, left side pala, it has the headlight, and then dito yung parang paay na yan, that is actually the turning signals and the DRLs or the LED DRLs, no? Alright, and then dito naman sa baba, makikita nyo dyan yung napaka-bulky niya na bumper, no? Also, dun sa taas, makikita nyo din yun, yung parang sensor niya for the ADAS features. And then, good to know, no, yung kanyang wiper is frameless na din. Alright, so going here, dito sa side, makikita nyo, nandito yung kanyang 19-inch wheels. It's a two-tone 19-inch wheels na 245/55. Okay? Ang pinakaunang napansin ko dito is medyo maganda yung design niya, no? Hindi mo akalain na electric vehicle to. Kasi alam naman natin kapag mga electric vehicle, talagang kakaiba yung kanilang mga mags. Sabi nila, it is to reduce the wind drag daw. No? And then sa ilalim naman ng gulong na yan, nandun yung kanyang disc brake. So, disc brake all around to. Okay? Suspension niya pala is multi-link suspension all around. So, napakaganda ng ride nito. No? Yung kanyang door handle is retractable. And then, yung kanyang side mirror is actually auto-fold. Meron din siyang 360-degree camera. Nandito yung isang camera niya. And then, integrated na din yung kanyang turning lights. Alright? And then, roof, it's actually black. Alright? It's a two-tone color. This actually creates the feeling na floating yung roof niya. And then, sa taas naman, meron na siyang roof rail. No? Functioning yan. And then, nandito yung kanyang charging. Alright? Dito na yung charging niya. Alright, so going here sa pinakalikod, dito nyo makikita kung gaano kasimple yung sa harap. Napakaganda naman ang likod nito. Yung tail light niya, kamukha nung nasa harap, parang letter I. And then, LED na rin to. And then, yung Jayco badging niya. And then, EJ6 and then IWD. Individual wheel drive. This is actually the first ever electric car dito sa Pilipinas na may individual wheel drive. Ibig sabihin, it's more likely a 4-wheel drive, but the engine or yung makina na nagpapagana sa kanya sa mga gulong niya ay dalawa. Isa din sa harap, isa din dito sa likod. Alright? So, we're done with the exterior. Dumako naman tayo dun sa interior naman. Alright? Let's go. Okay. So, here we are going inside this car and technically, ang pinakaunang-unang mapapansin mo dito sa sasakyan nito is how the interior looks. It's definitely one of the most beautiful interiors na nakita ko. No, the quality of the leather is nice. The sound thud is very nice. Steering wheel, wow, ang ganda nito. It's actually flat top and bottom, no? And then we have here the Jayco logo dito sa steering wheel niya. And then medyo kakaiba yung mga pindutan. Siguro ito yung medyo kailangang kasanayan kasi medyo kakaiba siya. Pero yes, of course, if you are using this car for quite some time already, of course, syempre makakabisado niyan na rin to, no? So one of the things na mag-greet sa'yo dito sa interior is the big screen just take a look of how big this screen is. This is a 15.6-inch infotainment screen that has wireless Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay. Alright, for this price point, bibihira ang merong ganon. Wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Just take a look at this. This is also powered by Snapdragon 8155 chipset. Alright? Hindi lang siya basta-bastang screen. Alright? Kaya kung papansin nyo, napaka-responsive. One of the smoothest transitions na nakita ko sa screen. This also has octa-core CPU with Adreno Gen 5 Adreno Gen 6 GPU. So napakaganda nito, no? We also have this 9.2-inch screen. Alright, 9.2 instrument panel. Makikita nyo dito, nandito na yung mga details na kailangan nyo with car. Of course, the battery percentage. Makikita nyo dyan kung kaano pa kalayo yung pwedeng itakbo ng sasakyan. And then, nandito rin yung odometer. And then, makikita nyo dito kung nakaanong driving modes kayo. Alright, so ano pa ba ang meron dito sa sasakyan na to? Dito sa baba, nandito yung aircon vents natin. Very simple but yet elegant looking aircon vents. Alright, and then dito sa gitna, nandito yung eye. And then dito sa baba, meron ka ditong parang extra cabin. Nandito rin yung mga USB ports mo. USB ports type A and then type C. Fast charging ata ito. Alright. And then, nandito sa baba, meron ditong extra luggage. Siguro pwede mong ilagay dito yung mga other things mo. And then, dito sa may bandang unahan, syempre, ito yung isa sa mga mag-greet din sa'yo pagpasok mo dito, no? This has the crystal shifter na kapag inikot mo siya, it will automatically change your driving modes. Alright? So, for the driving modes, napakaraming driving mode nito. And then, ang napakaganda dito, kapag chini-change mo siya, makikita mo talagang may animation na yung itsura ng animation niya is parang naglalaro ka sa PS or sa PlayStation, no? I don't know, PlayStation 3 or PlayStation 4. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Nandito, meron tayong normal, sports, eco, and then pwede mo din siyang i-customize. And then, since this is a 4x4 car, this has the ability to do off-road. Alright? It has the ability to do off-road, but please make sure na hindi naman yung talagang off-road na off-road, yung mga pang-competition, hindi naman ganon. So this is just in case na mapunta kayo or yung family mo sa medyo challenging na terrain, this car will keep you safe. Alright? Makakarating at makakauwi kayo ng ligtas. Alright? This has bumpy mode, meron daw ditong muddy, merong beach, and then meron daw slippery, and then ayan, all road condition. Alright? And then dito sa baba, nandito yung wireless charger niya. Ang maganda dito, hindi lang siya basta wireless charger, this is capable of fast charging. Meron din siyang air vent. And then nandito yung 2 cup holders mo. And then dito sa center console mo, this has a unique function na bukod sa kaya niyang mag-cool, it has a cooling system. Meron daw din siyang heating system. So I don't know how to do it. Siguro depende sa temperature ng sasakyan na isi-set mo. So right now, this is cooling. No, if you have drinks na you want it cooled or hot, you can do so. Alright. Leather seats. Okay, sa seats pala na to, ito maganda dito. Bukod sa meron siyang heating and cooling function din, meron din itong other things, no? So for the passenger, it can be a lazy boy type na upuan. And then dito naman sa may driver side, this has a massage function. Alright? So, sa mga gustong laging nagda-drive dyan, hindi dito sasakit yung inyong mga likod dahil kapag medyo mangalay na, dahil long drive kayo, pwede nyong i-activate yung function ng massage. Alright? Speaking of activation, maganda dito, meron tong voice commands, no? Mga voice commands nito, pwede mong ibaba, isara yung mga bintana, buksan yung kanyang panoramic sunroof, na napakalaki.
Please continue.
Open sunroof.
Okay, the command has been executed. Hello.
Open passenger window.
Okay, the command has been executed. I'm coming.
Close passenger window.
Okay, the command has been executed.
This car has 12 speakers. So if ikaw yung tipo ng tao na mahilig mag-music, talagang matutuwa ka dito sa sasakyan nito. And hindi lang basta 12 speakers, this is powered by Infinity. So sa mga music lover dyan and sa mga taong marunong sa speaker, you know what I mean when I say Infinity speaker. This is one of the nice sounding speakers na makukuha nyo. Dito pala sa loob pa rin, okay, dito sa likod, meron ditong air vents and then meron ding armrest. Pag-usapan naman natin kung gaano ba kalakas ang sasakyan na to. Alright? This car is powered by 279 horsepower and 385 Newton meters of torque. So to put it in perspective, this car can accelerate 0 to 100 kilometers in just 6.5 seconds. And na-drive ko na tong sasakyan na to and I can say na talagang kaya niyang gawin yung 0 to 100 in 6.5 seconds. Just imagine how big this car is and this car still capable of doing 0 to 100 kilometers in just 6.5 seconds. Alright? Also, this car is equipped, sabi nga natin, di ba, electric car to. So, this car is equipped with 69.77 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery. This car is also capable of doing fast charging, no, 30 to 80% fast charging in just 30 minutes. Also, kapag 100% ang battery mo, meron tayong mga tinatawag na range anxiety for electric cars. Pag binili nyo to, syempre, isa to sa mga sasakyan na hindi kayo mag-worry for the range because 100% charge ng sasakyan na to can go 421 kilometers or more. Alright, syempre, meron tong tinatawag na regenerative braking. So, yung 421 kilometers na yon can do more. Alright? And yan yung kinaganda dito. So again, to put it in perspective, you can go from here in Metro Manila down to Camarines Sur in just one charge. May tira ka pa. Ground clearance, of course, 225mm of ground clearance. And then meron tong 600mm or approximately 2 feet wading depth. Equipped din ito ng mga radars. Alright? So for our next video, abangan nyo dahil gagawin ko, ite-test drive ko tong sasakyan na to para sa inyo guys. So please stay tuned. On my next video, I'll make sure to rate how this vehicle drives just for you guys. So please make sure to do like this video, share nyo din sa mga friends nyo na baka gustong makita or ma-test drive itong sasakyan na to or mabili din. Please do make sure to share this to them. And then also, of course, please do subscribe to my channel. Makaka-help yan, alright? Also, kung gusto nyong pumunta dito sa showroom, nandito lang din ako, hanapin nyo ako. Agent Mob, dito lang yan sa Marcos Highway. Ang pinaka-katabing establishment is Ayala Mall, Feliz. Okay? So, this is Agent Mob. See you on my next video. Thank you.